Hey YouTube, it's 4040 in the building a budget gaming PC. Just received these here parts from Newegg today. Building a budget PC. Everything should cost about a total of $650 for everything. I don't have everything right here. What I am missing is the PSU hard drive and the optic drive. This here motherboard I paid $115 for. It has no SLI, but it does have some advantages like the turbo boost for the GPU, and also it unclocks that AMD, which is a quad core Phantom 2. The GPU is an NVIDIA GTX 550 Ti. It also includes a performance boost, and I do have the chassis right here, which is the Antec 300 Illusion. Comes with 4 fans, 3 which includes a LED, 2 in the front, 1 on top. The exhaust is in the back. It goes from high to low. It has a switch. This here is part 1. Once I get everything built or receive the other parts, I definitely will be building it and showing it on YouTube, and then showing the performance specs to see how many frames per second it could actually do. I will have Battlefield 3 also playing on it. It should be able to play Battlefield 3 without no problem. Here go the 2 cards that I have also, made by Kingston, $20 a piece, 4 gigs a piece, total of 8. Alright YouTube, I will catch y'all later.